It's new at 5. There's a new option for students here in San Antonio who are interested in going into healthcare. Our Jim Lefkoe shows us why Pima Medical Institute has chosen San Antonio.
San Antonio has been an area we've looked at for some time because the growth in the medical community has been one that aligns with what we do.
Pima Medical Institute has been open for about 5 weeks on the city's northwest side. Starting with a modest 30 students, the 66,000 square foot campus has room for 1,200. Officials insist the school is different from other private national colleges that went bust because of its business model.
And it has been a tough market for private schools, but I think the difference is that we're employee owned and we don't have outside shareholders that are putting pressures on us to raise tuition or to do things we shouldn't be doing.
Student tuition starts at $4,000 for certificates ranging from pharmacy tech to phlebotomy. Those can be earned in just 8 months. Tuition is $20,000 for a 2-year associate's degree in veterinary nursing.
The Department of Education loves us. Our default rate's one of the lowest in the industry because our students get out into careers that allow them to pay off their loans.
Pima has built fully operational labs that mirror actual pharmacies and veterinarians' offices.
And when you step into our classrooms, it's like you're stepping into, say, a dental office.
Students are excited about the new school's small class sizes, as well as the externships with community partners that are part of the curriculum.
Private schools tend to be more personal because it's not as big.
Jim Lefkoe, News 4 San Antonio.
Now, Pima has 3 locations now in Texas, one here, one in El Paso, and one over in Houston.